Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop. I hope you're ready to write today. There's some materials you're going to need. Let's look and see what they are. You're going to need your timer set for 15 minutes, a pencil, crayons, this writing paper, and your green fix-it-up checklist. Pause the video and go and get all of those materials right now. Welcome back. Now the first thing I need you to do is I need you to set your timer for 15 minutes. That means on the right hand side there's a 1, 5, and on the left side there's a 0. Pause the video while you set your timer and get it started. Okay, welcome back. Let's review what is an opinion. An opinion is when you give your opinion, you are telling others what you think or how you feel about something. Now let's review our steps about deciding our opinion. First, you need to think about your options. This person is thinking about the different types of apples. Then you need to decide. They chose the green apple as their favorite. And then you need to explain in words what your opinion is and why you have that opinion. Now here's my sample for you. What would you like to eat for a snack? An apple or a donut? So I need to remember the steps and I need to think about which one of those would be my favorite. And then I need to decide. Once I've decided, I need to circle my choice. And I chose the donut. I want you to think and decide now. So you're going to get your paper that looks like this. It has an octopus and a fish on it. Write your name up at the top. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Welcome back. Now it says, what is your favorite ocean animal? An octopus or a fish? I want you to think and then decide. Pause the video while you circle your favorite ocean animal between the octopus and the fish. Great job, boys and girls. Now we are going to be doing a little bit of explaining, and we need to do that in a topic sentence. So let's look at this opinion writing about dogs. The opinion statement is dogs make good pets. So they're stating that a dog makes a good pet. As you're writing this, you're also going to be trying to add blends and digraph words to your writing. So not only do I want to state my opinion, what my opinion is, and my opinion statement, but I want to try to have some words that have blends and digraphs in them. So I would like to eat a donut with icing. So not just any donut. I want a donut with icing. I want you to share what your favorite ocean animal is and write your opinion statement. Let's see what it has started. My favorite ocean animal is, and you're going to finish that sentence right here. Pause the video while you do that. Boys and girls, you are all done with your writing for today. So I want you to go ahead and, if your timer is still running, I want you to turn it off, and I want you to put your writing paper in your work in progress so that you can pull it out and continue your writing tomorrow. Go ahead and mark off on your activity list that you did today's writing, and I'll see you tomorrow to finish our writing.